Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick video on how to quickly just put some glow on your face if you're running out the house. I know a lot of times as moms or even as just a woman, you don't have a lot of time to sit and do a full face. So today, give you some quick tips on how to just kind of cut the edges off that time. And what I normally do is, it's pretty simple. The only thing that would ever really take my time up is my eyebrows, and if I was going to put a liquid liner on, which today I am going to do, so that will eat up kind of a little bit of the time, but I really feel like that liquid liner gives you the glam part of your makeup to look like you really cared about your appearance for the day. Today I already put on my foundation, and now the next thing I will do is I will do my eyebrows. Again, I use the Urban Decay Brow Box. I love it. I love it. And it has lasted me so long. Okay. Now I'm going to put there's a little wax compartment in the bottom of the box, and it just helps hold those hairs down. So I'm going to go through it, and it kind of gets out any of the excess color. I always kind of rub the front of my eyebrows after, so that it gets some of the color, rubs it off so that it'll kind of look like it fades into it a little bit. For the foundation that I used, again, I know I told you guys in my first video I used the Covergirl Plus Olay, the Simply Ageless. For drugstore, I'm telling you, I love it. I think it's one of the best. I know that you may not be able to see it too well, but it really does what it says it's going to do. It stays above the fine lines on your face. To cut the time out, instead of using eyeshadow just to give myself a glow, a lot of times I'll just take my contouring and blush. This is e.l.f. Cosmetics drugstore. And I just mix the two colors, and along with putting it on my cheeks and my forehead and under my chin, I use it as eyeshadow. So I'm just adding that glow to my skin that takes away from being pale or not together look. So, because it is the little e.l.f. It is a contour and blush and bronzer kit. So now I'm going to take and put it on my eyes just to give it some glow. I don't want to look too bronze. Now I'm going to put my eyeliner on. Just to add that glam look for today, or together, or like I actually did my makeup. I always do my tail end of the eyeliner first, because I feel like that helps me eye it up and make sure it's even. And then I always do mascara in between each eye, because I feel like the liquid liner dries on my eyelashes and it sticks them together. Finish my mascara. And do your lower. And for my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Falsies. I love it. I feel like it adds volume and everything to your eyelashes. Okay. So that's over with. My eyes are over with. I'm done. Okay. The only other last thing to do. Okay. So now that my eyes and my cheeks and my eyebrows are done, the last thing to do is I love, 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 love this lip plumper. Like, it is, to me, the best lip plumper. I love it. It's by Too Faced. It's the Lip Injection Extreme. I love it. I love this stuff because it works. So, because we're just going out the day, we're running, we're going to put that on. Sometimes I rub my lips, like I rub them with a towel to wipe any of the foundation or anything that I got on while applying makeup off before I put the lip plumper, and get it down to my natural lips. It kind of roughs them up a little bit, and I feel like it really gets in there and works. So this is it. This is my running out. Maybe I should spend a little more time on this hair, but we're not. Okay, so this is my running out for the day look. It's just something super easy so that you don't look half dead walking around the streets or wherever you're going. So everything I used today, like I literally used 6 products today. I used the Covergirl Simply Ageless Foundation, the Urban Decay Brow Box. I used Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I used the e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzer Kit. I used Maybelline Falsies, and I used the Too Faced Lip Injection. Okay guys, that's everything I do. This is probably my daily routine. It's easiest, it makes me feel the most put together, that's super quick. And so I hope you guys will share with me and give me some comments. Maybe something that you guys use that or do that's simple. You're simple. What is your simple? Leave it down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get updates on my new videos. I'm going to get them out weekly, and we'll talk soon. Okay guys, thanks. Bye.